All right, cool. So this is just a quick tutorial on Zoom, how to use it, how to download it, etc. So I'm currently recording in a Zoom meeting, ironically. And what we're going to do is I'm going to just take you through the basic features of Zoom, and you'll see how to, log into it, how to use it, etc. And we're going to kind of work backwards because I'm going to show you first and foremost how to actually use it and kind of the features on it. So you can see my screen here. We have a mute icon, we have a stop video icon. Mute, I can click on mute and you won't be able to hear me. So even though I'm talking, it'll mute me. And this is used for when I'm like giving instructions and, a lot of people are talking that it'll, I'll say everybody mute so we can go over X number. You'll put on mute and then you won't be able to hear me. Now, if for some reason, you need to stop your video, you can click stop video, or if this is on, if you see this thing and you're not able to see yourself, or I'm not able to see you in the chat, just click it and it'll open it back up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, and the other thing to consider is the chat feature. Nobody's in the meeting with me at the moment, but I can click that this icon chat, and I could just send feedback like knee hurt during split squat. Let's say your microphone is messed up or something. You can always send me messages like that. You can either send that to me or to the group, or you can send it. You would be able to click on that, and when other people go into the chat, you would be able to click on that individual name and send it just to them or just to me. So no whispering behind my back. So now I'm going to share my screen here, and we're going to go over just kind of how to use or how to download Zoom. So you're going to go to the website would be zoom.us. This would be the home screen here. And all we would do from your computer would be just click sign up, it's free. Okay, so from there, you're going to put in your email address. You click sign up, and then it'll have you fill out some things, and you'll be able to download Zoom. Okay, so once you have that installed on your computer, you can go to your desktop. I think I need to reshare my screen here real quick. Hold on. You'll be able to go to your desktop if I can find mine. Anyway, the icon itself will be on your desktop. So you just click on the Zoom icon and it should bring that up. Now, what will happen is when we email you a link to your Zoom meeting or to our Zoom session, you'll get an email that says, please join Zoom meeting in progress. And you would just click this link, which would bring you to Zoom. So when I do that, I'll join real quick with my other accounts. And as you can see, I'm now on chat. So that just I'm gonna leave here, so. But as you can see, that's kind of how it works. So each of us will have kind of like a little screen represented. And that way I'll be able to kind of watch you. You're going to want to position your screen so I'm able to kind of like see you doing what you're doing, your exercises and that sort of thing. So typically we'll do a circuit of 3 like you're used to in the gym. And then, again, I'll just kind of give you the exercises, maybe demo a few things, and then just kind of watch each of you going through them and give you, corrections or feedback as we go along. Okay, so that's basically the way that it's going to work. Each session is going to be anywhere from 45 to 60 minutes. Pretty similar format to what you're used to. The only difference being is that we might start with a little bit of a different warm up, and we'll start with core versus having core throughout the workout. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or you're having any issues with Zoom, please feel free to let me know. But I'm going to send this video out with the chat so you have a better idea of how to download and use it. Look forward to seeing you good people in our virtual training.